the biggest changes that's going to happen and that we all have to consider is training, right? I mean, and technology which we have is going to be useless unless we train our team in the way that they can use the technology. Traditionally, we have a fragmented solution within the shipping industry today. We look at each individual system as a separate fragmented solution. So in the future, we need to combine this into one, and we need to make sure that the crew is trained well enough to handle all these systems. Again, we come back to this seamless flowing of information from ship to shore. And our solution and thesis is created in a way that we should be able to have information flowing from ship to shore to make sure that we can help the crew on board to do safe navigation. This also means that we need to offload administrative tasks from the crew on board, which the onshore staff can help them with. For example, we have several administrative tasks that are connected to a port of call. Many of this can be performed by the office. It doesn't need to be performed by the master on board. So he can focus on his main thing, which is safe navigation. Again, we should here look at the airline industry, right? How a pilot operates. And the pilot here, they are getting the support from the ground staff for all the administrative tasks. We can never take away the responsibility for the captain to do the decision on board the ship or the decision on board the plane, because his job is to navigate it from A to B in the most safest way. So our solution is created as a support function, not as a controlling function, or, I mean, Big Brother is looking at you what you do on board, because that's not the purpose. The purpose is to create a collaboration platform where there is trust from ship to shore and shore to ship. And that's the main thing. I mean, to support this, to make sure that we make the best decision for safe navigation. We need to look at the acquisition by Wärtsilä to take over Transas in a bigger picture, right? As I've said through this, we have a lot of fragmented solutions on board a ship. We have many different vendors on a ship's bridge today or in an engine, where the ship owner doesn't recognize the value of having one supplier. We have radar, we have weather, we have ECDIS, we have engine, all different suppliers. And we need to make sure that we bring everything together and present a solution to the shipping industry where they are capable of looking at everything in a combined solution, not individually. And the Smart Marine, by Wärtsilä taking over Transas and the Smart Marine vision, we are going to be able to bring all of this together as one solution where they can look at information, where we will give them decision support to make the best decision, looking 30 minutes or 2 hours into the future. And that's the main thing when Wärtsilä takes over Transas, to do this. We will have the capability of doing all that.